You can share the Smartsheet and also export it to Excel sheet. So to do that, get to Smartsheet dashboard, choose the sheet here that you want to export into Excel, and here you have the option for file, then export, and then here you have option for Microsoft Excel. Click on that, and here you have your export. You can open this from here as well. This will also initiate the click on that particular file, right? So let's wait for this to load. You can see it is loading in Excel, and it looks exactly native sheet like we have with Smartsheet, except these additional columns which we don't use, right? Rest of the stuff, including if there are any formulas, all of them are preserved, right? Here you may also notice that currently it is in protected view, so you will have to save this, enable edit, and then save this. So for every file that you download from the internet, opens in protected mode, just to avoid any infection or editing issues within Excel. So there are multiple reasons why editing is disabled, and safety from edit is one, right? So you manage to export the sheet through file, then export, and then Excel, right? So you can try this out and see how your Smartsheet sheet appears there.